everyone, welcome back to the session, guys. So, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope that you all are good and safe. So, first of all, wishing you a very happy Diwali. Wishing you all of you a very happy Diwali from my side. And enjoy your Diwali, enjoy the festival as it only comes once. So, जाइए अच्छे से दिवाली बनाइए and enjoy करिए guys. But after this session, because this is a special session, this is the most requested session. As you all were requesting me that ma'am, please tell us how to prepare for CA. So here I am to help you out with how to prepare for CA. So before starting this session, if you guys haven't subscribed the channel, so please take a moment to subscribe this channel, like this video and share it with your friends. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, वीडियो को लाइक करो अगर पसंद आए and do share it with your friends as it will help them also. Now, if you are not there on the official Telegram group, if you don't know about this group, the e-commerce, Vedantu has an official Telegram group on which we send daily the PDFs of the classes, the updates and all the notifications. So you can join the Telegram group by the following link in the chat box. You will find a link in the chat box. Go to that link and you will be added to the Telegram group. Now, as you all know, it is Diwali. It is Diwali. So we are having something great for you. We are having something great for you, that is 50% discount. Flat 50%. Never before ever. आज हम लेके आए हैं 50% discount. Not आज. It is from a long time. From 3-4 days. And it will end soon. So if you want a discount up to 10,000 and you want to be a Vedantu Pro student, then go and subscribe the Vedantu, go and take the Vedantu Pro and enjoy all the benefits at 50% flat off. You will get a discount up to 50% flat. So, go and enjoy and use my code SCPRO. You will not have this discount without using the code. You have to use my code SCPRO to get this 50% off. So go and use my code and enjoy this 50% discount. Now, let's come to the main part. Let's come that how to prepare for CA, as this is the most expected, most demanded video. You guys were asking me again and again, ma'am, please make a video, please make a video. Kab aayegi video? So here it is, guys. Here it is. So, how to prepare for CA? I will be telling you my cases that how did I prepared. मैंने कैसे prepare किया था. So, don't the guys who don't know me, so I have qualified CA Foundation and CA Intermediate Group 1, both in first attempt. Now I am preparing for Intermediate Group 2. So that's about me, and now I'll be telling you that how did I prepare and how can you prepare for CA. So I cleared my CA Foundation. It was CA CPT at that time. It was CA CPT at that time. I cleared my CA CPT. I qualified my CA CPT in 2016. And then I went for my graduation. I completed my graduation. And then I qualified CA Foundation. I qualified CA Foundation in 2019. So this is about me. Last year, I qualified CA Foundation and I qualified CA CPT in 2016. Now I'm preparing for CA Intermediate Group 2. Sorry guys. Okay, sorry. I qualified CA Intermediate Group 1, not Foundation. I qualified CA Intermediate Group 1. So CA CPD मैंने 2016 में किया था. I qualified that in 2016 and CA Intermediate Group 1 in 2019, last year. Now, those who don't know about CA, जिनको CA के बारे में नहीं पता, let me tell you that it is a professional course like CS, company secretary, CWA, cost work accountant, that you can pursue after class 12. So it is a professional course that you can pursue after class 12. Now, what are the stages in the CA? What are the levels in CA that you have to go through? कैसे बनता है एक आदमी CA? How a person becomes CA? So first level is CA foundation. First level is CA foundation. After that, once you clarify CA foundation, you have to appear for CA intermediate. In CA intermediate, there are two groups. There are two groups of 4 paper. In each group, there are 4 papers, and total there are 8 papers in CA intermediate. You can give all the 8 papers at one time, or you can divide it into 2 groups. आप चाहे तो दोनों ग्रुप्स एक ही साथ दे सकते हैं या फिर 2 times में दे सकते हैं. Now, after the intermediate, once you qualify both the groups of intermediate or any one group, after one group also, you can do the articleship. Articleship is training. You have to do training under CA. हमें training करनी होती है under CA for 3 years. And in the final year, you can appear for the CA final. In the final year of articleship, we can appear from CA final. And again, CA final. This is the last step, the third exam. In this also, we have 2 groups of 4 each. So, these are the 4 stages in CA. Foundation, intermediate, articleship, and CA final. Now, let's see that what is CA foundation, because after 12th you will be appearing for CA foundation. After 12 you will be appearing for CA foundation. So, in CA foundation you have to first fill the registration. You have to do the registration with ICAI. You can do it online or by visiting some ICAI Bhavan also. In your local city, there will be ICAI Bhavan. You can visit there for registration, or you can do it online also. So once you complete your registration, you can appear for CA foundation. And in CA foundation, there are 4 papers. CA foundation में 4 paper हैं. Accounts, law. Third paper we have business mathematics, logical reasoning, statistics. And in 4th paper we have economics and business commercial knowledge. In 4th paper we have business commercial knowledge. Now I am not going much into that because you will get that at the syllabus. जब आप CA foundation की तैयारी करोगे तब आपको ये complete पता चल जाएगा. I am just telling you some overview. ठीक है? Now the first 2 papers, accounts and law, are subjective. The first 2 papers are subjective and the 3rd and 4th paper are objective. Every 4 paper, all the papers are total of 100 marks. There are 4 papers. Each paper will be of 100 marks and each paper will be of 3 hours. हर पेपर 3 घंटे का होता है और 100 मार्क्स का होता है. Now, in subjective paper, there will be subjective questions. But in objective paper, there is something that is a negative point. There is negative marking for every wrong answer. In objective paper, yes, there is negative marking also. Objective paper में negative marking होती है and it is 0.25 for every wrong answer. हर गलत आंसर के लिए 0.25 will be deducted. So, don't attempt any question of which you are not sure. अगर आपको किसी आंसर का श्योरिटी नहीं है कि ये सही है या गलत है तो उसको छोड़ दो, but don't do that. Okay, so this is the pattern of your CA foundation. There are 4 papers of 100 marks each of 3 hours. 2 papers will be subjective, 2 papers will be objective. पहले आपको registration कराना होता है. So keep going through the website that when you will have to do the registration. I'm not sure कि registration कब होता है. It has to be before 3 or 4 months of exam, and in intermediate it is before 9 months of exam. Intermediate second level में आपको 9 months before appearing in the exam, before the date of exam, 9 month पहले आपको registration करना पड़ता है. Now I'm not confirmed about CA foundation. Now, the main thing is the preparation, ma'am. How to prepare, when to prepare, from where to prepare. कैसे तैयारी करें. So guys, let me tell you my story. I was in class 12th and my aim was to become a journalist. I always wanted to be a journalist. So in class 12th, at the time of board exams, I told my parents that I want to become a journalist. Mummy Papa को बताया कि journalist बनना है. So they said that it is not a good field for girls because sometimes it happens that your parents always think for your good. Parents हमेशा सही बोलते हैं. So they said कि आपको दिन and रात you have to do the work and the company can anytime ask you to work and go out. So they didn't allow me to do that, and I also did some research that there is a lot of hard work in that and we have to do really a lot of hard work. Then after 12th के बाद क्या होता है, once you qualify your 12th exams, board exams, you get a time gap of 3 to 4 months. After 12th, we have a time of 3 to 4 months in which we have nothing to do. Board के exams के बाद, we have our board exams in March and the college starts from August. So the time period in this, April, May, June, July, there are 4 months in which we have nothing to do. So you have to utilize this time period. So there was one of my neighbor who suggested my parents that she can appear for CA. So she can go for CPT. In 12th, I was not aware of what is CA. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि CA क्या होता है, what is CPT. So my parents said me that go for the preparation of CPT and take some coaching. We will pay for that and take some coaching. If it is clear, then it's okay. If it is not clear, you will learn some new concepts. अगर clear हो गया तो अच्छी बात है, well and good. नहीं हुआ तो कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को तो मिलेगा. So I went for that, and in the 2 months, I joined my coaching on 1st April. This was a very tough task for me. My board exams ended on 31st March. And on the very next day, I started my coaching. On the very next day, I started my coaching, 1st April. And I took the coaching for 2 months, 10 days. I did preparation for 2 months, 10 days in coaching. And then I prepared through self-study. And then my exams were in June. As you all know, or you don't know, that ICAI conducts exams twice in a year. First, it is conducted in June and then it is conducted in November. Exams are conducted twice in a year, June and November. So I was in June attempt in CPT. So in April, May and 10 till 10, I was in coaching, and on 16th was my exam, 16th June maybe, as I remember. So I went for the exam. Every subject was clear to me. Every subject I was having a hold on every subject. सारे subjects आते थे. Eco was there, accounts was there, law was there, and mathematics was there. What were the subjects at my time? मेरे time पे क्या subjects थे? Law, accounts, economics, and mathematics. These were the subjects. I was a good subject in law, accounts, and economics, but a very bad student in mathematics. As there is a phobia in girls for mathematics. Not in every girl, but it is in me. That I can't do mathematics that advanced. थोड़ी बहुत कर सकती हूँ, and in 12th I got 62 marks, so I'm not that bad in mathematics. So the mathematics was a disadvantage for me for CPT. Now I was waiting for results. I gave the exam. I appear in the exams. Now it's time for result. I was at school to pick up my cousin, to pick up my sister and brother. मैं school गई हुई थी अपने बहन भाई को लेने, and the result was about to come, and I was like shocked that what will happen. There was anxiety, lot of anxiety that what will happen, because I was not sure about mathematics. What will happen? I will clarify it or I will not clarify it. So, what happened? What is the checking scheme? So, what is the passing scheme for the CA? I'll tell you that. पेपर कैसे चेक होते हैं एंड पेपर कैसे चेक होते हैं, कैसे आप क्वालिफाई कर सकते हो. सो देयर आर 4 पेपर्स, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are total 4 papers. Each paper is of 100 marks. Each paper is of 100 marks. To qualify the attempt, to qualify the exam, in every paper you must score minimum 40 marks. You have to score minimum 40 marks. हर पेपर में at least 40 marks तो आने ही आने चाहिए. So this is total 160. If you do the total is 160. But the second condition, this is the first condition, you should have at least 40 marks in every subject, and the total should be half. The total should be 200. The total should be 200 or more than 200. If your total is 199, you will fail. You will fail. So this is a main obstacle, that you have to score 40 marks in each subject with more than 200 in total. So the only fear in me was mathematics subject, कि mathematics में इतने आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे. At my time, the marks was not 100 marks. The marks were different for each subject. मेरे time पे CPT के marks अलग होते थे. This is the present marking scheme or the passing criteria. So मेरे time पे maths मेरे लिए मुश्किल था. Still there is maths, and you have to prepare well for that. Take every subject equally. I will always say that never leave any subject behind. किसी भी subject को weak नहीं मानना, क्योंकि वही आपकी बर्बादी बन सकती है. Okay? So, now, when to prepare? When you can start preparing for CA? And you can start preparing for CA after your 12th boards exam. Exams के बाद, first focus on 11th and 12th. If you are 11th, first focus on that. If you are 12th, then focus on that. Because in these classes, you are learning the basics. If the basics are not clear, you cannot move to the upstairs. You cannot move to advanced level. In CA, we will have advanced level of these topics only. We are going to read the same topics, the same chapters, but a little advanced. So, do focus right now on your studies. Make sure that every concept is clear to you, because only then you can do that. Now, from where to prepare? कहाँ से तैयारी करनी है मैम हमें? From where we can prepare? So, Your study material, you can prepare from the study material, and it is provided by ICAI after registration. Once you register, after that ICAI will itself send the books to your home. आपके घर पर ही सारी books आ जाएंगी. You will get the books at your home and prepare for that. We have modular in that, we have books in that, we have assignment kind in that. So you can prepare for that. Nothing else is required. So you have to prepare from study material that the ICAI will provide. Next is how to prepare. कैसे तैयारी करनी है, कैसे तैयारी करें, how to prepare. So I am not that intelligent student. It's just like my catching power is good. If I am teaching, I am studying something, I am only present there. My mind is only present there, not anywhere else. So, first advice is be serious for every course. If you are doing any course, be serious for that. Don't take it as option. कि अगर हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है, चल कुछ नहीं है तो सीए कर लेते हैं. Don't do it like that. You will not be able to qualify that. कुछ भी कर रहे हो, be serious for that and be present there only. Mind वही present होना चाहिए, not in any other thing. So be serious for your future and for every course. Second, that I have heard many times. Every student keep asking, is it tough? Is CA tough? So I will say no, it is not tough. And CA foundation is not tough at all. So no, it is not tough, but it is not tough only when you are daily giving time to self-study. You have to daily give time to self-study. It should not happen that you are not opening your books. You are just depending कि कल कर लेंगे, कल कर लेंगे, कल कर लेंगे. कल कभी नहीं आता. Okay? So you have to give time to self-study daily. Next question is, can we prepare for it without any coaching? Student asked that, क्या हम घर पे तैयारी कर सकते हैं? Can we prepare ourselves without any coaching? Yes, you can do that, but my preference will be to go for some coaching. कुछ coaching join करो, कोई coaching join करो and take some coaching. Because if you are doing something new, if you are reading something new, so you don't know that which topic is important and which topic is not important. You will read everything from the book. But if you will go to coaching institutes, so they will tell you that not to waste time on this topic because it is not important. And they will ask you to focus on the important topics. They will tell you the tricks to solve the questions. So yes, coaching is important because you will be saving a lot of your time and your efforts. So yes, coachings are important for the preparation of CA foundation or any other exam. Now, and also you know that law will be a new subject. You can do accounts a little bit, you can do economics, you can do mathematics, but not law because there will be different words. Law is written in Latin. Sometimes some language is written in Latin, you will not understand it. So you need some guidance, you need someone to guide you every time. If you really want to clear CA, go for some good coaching. So this is how to prepare for CA. What happened with me was, my coaching times was 9 to 2 as I remember because it is 3 years old topic. So my coaching timings were 92. After that, I used to come my home and then have some fun. And then I again used to sit at 5 or 6 and then I used to study till 10. So first, do take coaching and after that, make sure that you are giving time to self-study daily. You are revising the topics covered in your coaching at your home daily. And after that, you will be ready for the CA foundation. Nothing can stop you from clearing out your exam. Only thing you need is determination. You should be determined. You should have it in your mind that we will crack it. We will do it because everyone will stop you from moving up. हर कोई रोकेगा. Many guys will tell you that don't go for it. It is tough. Even I will tell you my story that when I was in CA intermediate, I qualified the CA CPT in 2016, and then in 2019 I made my mind to go for CA intermediate. So there were many people, a lot of people who used to tell me that don't do, will you be able to do it? They were asking my capabilities, that will you be able to do it? आप कर पाओगे? It is tough. And before exams also, there were many people who stopped me from appearing in the exams. That it is not a cup of your tea. You will not be able to do this. But I took that question as a challenge. I took that as a challenge that how can someone judge my capability? Who are they to judge my capability? I have the only right to judge my capability. I know what I can do, and the others don't have the rights to judge my capability. औरों को नहीं पता कि आप क्या कर सकते हो. You only know that what you can do. So take this as a challenge and go for it. And it is not tough, guys. You just have to do some hard work, some preparation, and you will be ready for that. So किसी की बात नहीं सुननी. अगर लोग कह रहे हैं टफ है तो उनको बोलो हम करके दिखाएंगे. उनको बोलो कि रिजल्ट लाके दिखाएंगे, तब बोलना कि टफ है. Take that as a challenge and don't get demotivated. If you are getting demotivated, I am here to motivate you. You can always ask me for any help. So this was everything about how to prepare for CA, and the time required for preparation of CA is at least 12 to 12 hours. At least minimum 10 to 12 hours per day are required. So, best of luck, guys, if you are going to prepare for CA. Best of luck for that. Be determined and make sure that you are going to work hard. And after result, I'll see you and you will tell me that yes, we have qualified CA Foundation. So, guys, bye everyone. See you all in the next session. And if you clarify the CA Foundation, so please tell me and text me that, ma'am, the video helped us a lot. So with this, we end the session for today. Stay tuned for the next session. Till then, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, go and subscribe the channel. Please take a moment to subscribe this channel. And if you like my story, if you like my suggestions, then please like this video and share it with your friends. And also, if you are not there on the official Telegram group, so go and join that group and you'll be getting all the updates, all the notifications there. So with this, see you all in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. And again, a very happy Diwali to everyone, guys. A very happy Diwali to everyone. This Diwali, take a challenge that, yes, we will study and do work hard. So bye, everyone. Bye, students.